Welcome to Cloud 3D Print. Here is a brief software manual. To get started, sign up for an account on our mobile app or website. Once you have an account, you can create a project and upload your 3D models to save the project. Click Slice to go to our intuitive 3D Viewer page, where you can adjust your model from any angle and choose your 3D printer profile, material profiles, and slicing settings. Once you slice and generate G-code files, you can send them to any idle 3D printers connected to a control device, such as a Raspberry Pi or BTT Pi. You can then control the 3D printer and monitor all of your 3D printers in real time as soon as printing begins, viewing the real-time temperatures and G-code process both in the browser and mobile apps. Cloud 3D Print also features an AI failure detection system that detects the spaghetti failures, helping you avoid wasting time and materials. After printing is complete, Cloud 3D Print provides data analysis summary, a job report page to list all the job details, and analytical pages to summarize job information during a specific period. We offer different packages for your selection, including free, essential, AI Pro, business, and customized packages. We provide a 14-day free trial before payment decision. Sign up today and start simplifying your 3D printing workflow. Thanks for watching.